Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to this encouragement series. We got something good going on today. So get somebody that you know. How are you doing? It's another week. We are already, believe it or not, February. Wow, 11. Time is going. Encourage yourself. Upward 2025. Encourage yourself. Listen, sometimes life has a way of testing us. Yes. Life has a way of testing us, people. And so what you have sometimes is that people will walk away from you, you know? People you thought will be there for you will walk away from you. Your friends may disappoint you. In fact, people may say things to you that will really sting you like this, eh? People will just say stuff to you, they will just, people just say stuff to you, just like, wow, you like, you didn't see that coming. But at those moments, I want us to remember what David did. Let's remember David in 1 Samuel chapter 30, verse 6. 1 Samuel 36. David encouraged himself in the Lord. Well, you're going to be like, what? David, the king, David, the beloved, David, I killed, they sang about him. David has taken down 10,000. But there was a point in David's life where there was nobody, even though he has so many people around him, but yet there was really nobody to encourage him. So upward 2025, regardless of the disappointments that you have felt, regardless of the stinging that you have felt because of somebody said something to you, regardless of all the people that walked away from you, regardless, be your own cheerleader. If you don't cheer yourself on, nobody will cheer you on. If others abandon you, you know my word for you, upward 2025, do not abandon yourself. Let me say that again. If others abandon you, if people abandon you, you do not abandon yourself. You abandon yourself. For example, so somebody just decided, I don't want to be in a relationship with you again. And then you decided, you know what, I'm going to end it. That is you abandoning yourself. You like good radiance to bad rubbish. It's not your problem. That is their problem. Do not abandon your own self. Pick up yourself, dust yourself. There is still life to be lived. If people disappoint you, you do not disappoint yourself. Maybe you were expecting somebody to do something for you, and they didn't do it. Get up and do it for yourself. Holla. Like, holla. You want somebody to pay your school fees, and they did not pay your school fees. What are you going to do? Hey, Anna Banana. Hey, how are you? You need somebody to, maybe you wanted them to buy you lunch, and then they did not buy it. So you feel disappointed. Get up. Shalom. Hi. Hi. What are you going to do? Get up. See, there's this crazy holiday that is coming. I think it's Friday, Valentine, right? Some people will decide to be depressed, which I don't know why. So you're expecting somebody to give you a teddy bear or a bouquet of flowers. Child, they disappoint you, go to the store, buy yourself flowers. Buy yourself the teddy bear. Oh, thank you, Anna. Buy yourself the teddy bear. Buy yourself the chocolate. So they disappointed you. Ha! Ha! You do not disappoint yourself. If they speak against you, you don't join them to speak against yourself. I mean, you be your own cheerleader. David encouraged himself in the Lord. So we are gleaning from David in the scriptures today that a time will come. It might even be now. It may be tomorrow. Maybe at that point you have not experienced this yet. But in life, sometimes you experience people that will chicken out on you. Some people that will do things contrary to their covenant with you or your agreement with you. That's okay. So they speak bad about you or speak against you. You don't speak bad about yourself. They tell you, oh, you're too fat. You don't call yourself fat. They tell you, oh, you illiterate, you so dumb. You do not join them to call yourself those names that they call in you. You have to be you have to be your own cheerleader. If you don't have cheerleading people to cheer you on, David cheered himself on. So that's my encouragement for you today, that you have to learn in 2025 upward, because it's part of life. Stand firm in what God has made you. You have to realize that you are made in the image and likeness of God, period. And I think I did say one time, I said that God looked at you, He created you, He said, you're good. Listen, newsflash, you are good. You are good enough. Everything that you need to make it in life, God has already put it inside of you. It's already there. So you don't need nobody. You shouldn't be looking on anybody to validate you, to validate whether you're smart or you're not smart, to validate whether you're beautiful or not beautiful, to validate whether you're whatever. Don't look for nobody's validation. The only validation that you need, God said you're good. You validate yourself with God and say, God, you said I'm good. I'm good. Stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, the girl is good, the man is good. We may have exhibit some bad characters, but still, God sent Jesus to help you take care of those bad characters, to help us take care of those bad characters. So that's why I say it is you and God. God is with you. He alone has the final say concerning your life. Not the government, not your boss, not your husband, not your wife, not your brother, not your sister, not your co-worker, not your neighbor, nobody, not your boss, not your landlord. Nobody has, precious you, nobody has the final say concerning your life. You and God, your tagging team. David encouraged himself in the Lord. Speak life over yourself. Remind yourself that you're already chosen by God. You're loved and destined for greater things. Don't let nobody put you down. Don't let nobody put you down in this upward 2025. I don't care what happened in 2024. I don't care how many people put you down, but you do not join them to lock yourself down. You got to tell yourself now, I'm moving forward in this 2025. I'm excited today because today, me and my girl, the application, I said we are doing it today. Oh, it's going to cost $25. I said, I don't care. Let's open the computer. Let's do it. And you know what amazing thing? Once we finish the application, time to pay. It's the application submitted. We didn't even have to pay what she was scared about. Oh, it's $25. I said, we are going to do it today. Be your own cheerleader. God is with you. He has the final say. Align yourself with His promises. Do right by yourself. Take care of yourself in 2025. Don't allow other people's negativity get to you. They're negative about you. You be positive about you. You're going to look at yourself that you can do it. This 2025, I am good. I can do it. I am able. I can do it. WWE Championships. Yes. I love that. Yes. You are going to win your own championship in 2025, guys. You got to decide. They just did Super Bowl. You're going to be the winner of it's your Super Bowl. Your life is your Super Bowl. Your life is your WWE, WWW, whatever again. Your life is the Olympic. You are the sole person in your own Olympic game. The sole person in your WWE. Is it right? Thank you, Shazad. Yeah, you are the sole player in your life. You and God. Yoo-hoo! Yes. You and God together, working this work, working your life. So become your own voice. Knock out every other people's voice, because sometimes they don't know where God is taking you, they don't know where you're coming from, they don't understand where you're going, they don't know the purpose of God concerning your life. So they're going to look at the physical, because that's what they're seeing. They're seeing the physical. They're saying, she is not all that, or he is not all that. He doesn't have money in the bank, he doesn't have any business idea, he doesn't this, he doesn't that. But you lock out the negativity of everybody else. Let your voice that is from inside of you, let that voice speak for you. Keep moving forward. In 2025, that's why it's the upward 2025. Keep moving forward, keep believing, and keep trusting God that God is greater than all those negative voices. And you encourage yourself. You are stronger than what you think. You just don't know it. So, encourage yourself. Faith, have faith in God, trust in God. 2025. 2025, 2025, you're going to do great things. You got to tell yourself that education that you want to start, that college you want to go to, that job you want to start, that business you want to start, whatever you want to start, that you want to get out of debt, you want to begin to invest, whatever it is, in fact, you want to begin to follow God more. You want to begin to trust God more. Joining me here. You want to begin to trust God more. You want to become more spiritual. Whatever it is, you want to be able to do stuff for other people more. You want to be able to help the poor more. You want to be able to volunteer in community more. Whatever it is, this 2025, you can. You have what it takes. In fact, you have all it takes. And what is it? What is that all that it takes? God. And God with you, he said, is majority. When you are with God, when you're in the majority camp. So just be encouraged to know that you are stronger than what you think. Be your own cheerleader. Do not listen to those people. If people walk away from you, don't walk away from yourself. If people don't trust you, you must trust yourself. Trust in your capability and your ability. If your friends disappoint you, you don't disappoint yourself. You can disappoint and feel that you cannot do anything, but you're going to say, you know what, I can do it. I have what it takes to do it, because God has put in me what it takes to do it. It's because God created you in his image, guys. God created you in his image and in his likeness. So you have what it takes in you to get that thing done. You just need to get up and let's do it. Tell someone, say, get up and let's do it. Tell someone, say, encourage yourself. Stand firm in the God that created you. Stand firm in what that God created you to be, because there's a reason he created you. So that thing created you for 2025, upward we are going. Encourage yourself. Encourage yourself in the Lord. Okay?